Tracking your fitness journey has never been easier. The best workout tracker helps you monitor your progress, set goals, and stay motivated with real-time stats and personalized insights. Elevate every session and achieve results faster with smarter tracking. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Whoop Workout Tracker. The Whoop Workout Tracker is designed for athletes and health enthusiasts seeking a comprehensive health monitoring experience. This advanced tracker comes with a 12-month Whoop Peak membership, a Whoop 5.0 device, a Super Kinet band, and a waterproof wireless power pack, providing continuous 24/7 data collection. Unlike traditional fitness trackers, Whoop focuses not only on activity, but also on recovery, sleep, and overall physiological health. It continuously monitors critical metrics such as heart rate, blood oxygen, stress, menstrual cycles, VO2 max, and the pace of aging, offering users a holistic view of their wellness. The health monitor allows you to understand baseline vitals like heart rate and skin temperature, while the stress monitor helps identify daily stressors, giving actionable insights to improve mental and physical health. Additionally, the tracker provides personalized recommendations for sleep, strain, and recovery, ensuring that you can optimize performance while reducing the risk of overtraining. Whoop's Health Span feature is particularly unique as it evaluates your long-term habits and provides guidance to slow your pace of aging, giving you a measurable way to track health improvements over time.
Number 2. Fitbit Workout Tracker. The Fitbit Workout Tracker offers a compact and versatile fitness experience, ideal for users who want basic activity tracking paired with smart features. Running on an Android-compatible system, the device includes 4 GB of memory storage, enabling a smooth interface for tracking workouts, sleep, and general wellness metrics. Equipped with GPS and multi-sport tracking, the tracker allows accurate measurement of distance, pace, and performance across multiple activities, making it suitable for running, walking, cycling, or gym workouts. Additional features like ECG, contactless payments, and sleep monitoring expand its functionality beyond traditional fitness tracking, giving users an all-in-one wearable experience. The rectangular 1.04-inch screen provides a clear interface to view metrics at a glance, while Bluetooth connectivity ensures seamless pairing with smartphones and other devices. Its lightweight design allows for comfortable all-day wear, while the lithium-ion battery provides reliable power for extended use. Fitbit's intuitive app complements the tracker, offering insights into daily activity, sleep quality, and progress toward fitness goals.
Number 3. Fitbit Inspire 3 Workout Tracker. The Fitbit Inspire 3 Workout Tracker is a sleek and lightweight wearable designed to motivate users to move more, sleep better, and manage stress effectively. It provides continuous monitoring of daily activity, including steps, calories burned, heart rate, and active zone minutes, giving users a clear picture of their overall fitness. With over 20 exercise modes and automatic activity tracking, Inspire 3 ensures that workouts are accurately recorded, making it easier to stay on track with fitness goals. The device also emphasizes wellness, featuring a daily readiness score, stress management tracking, mindfulness sessions, and breathing exercises to encourage balance between activity and recovery. Sleep tracking is another highlight, offering a personalized sleep profile, daily sleep score, smart wake alarm, and sleep mode to improve overall rest quality. Health metrics such as irregular heart rhythm notifications, blood oxygen monitoring, and menstrual health tracking give users valuable insights into their body's condition. Comfort and connectivity are carefully considered, with a water-resistant design up to 50 meters, a lightweight construction suitable for all-day wear, and a customizable colored touchscreen for easy navigation. Inspire 3 also supports calls, text, and smartphone app notifications, ensuring users stay connected throughout the day. A 10-day battery life reduces the need for frequent charging, and the included 6-month premium membership provides personalized insights, advanced analytics, and fitness guidance, enhancing the device's overall value.
Number 4, Momax Workout Tracker. The Momax Workout Tracker is an impressive smartwatch that blends fashion, functionality, and advanced health monitoring into a sleek, lightweight device. Featuring a large 1.99-inch AMOLED HD screen with a 410 by 494 resolution, the display is highly responsive and readable even under direct sunlight, surpassing many premium devices in clarity. Its ultra-lightweight 38-gram design, coupled with a flexible and skin-friendly band, ensures comfortable all-day wear, making it suitable for both casual and professional settings. Beyond aesthetics, Momax excels in fitness tracking with over 100 sport modes and AI-powered fitness analysis. The tracker automatically recognizes 5 major activities such as running, swimming, and rowing, providing an exclusive workout effectiveness score to measure heart rate, duration, and recovery, helping users optimize their workouts. Advanced swim tracking counts strokes for freestyle and breaststroke, making it a valuable companion for aquatic workouts. Health management is equally thorough with 24/7 heart rate, SpO2, sleep, and stress monitoring, along with HRV tracking and scientific sleep analysis, offering actionable insights for improved rest. With a 12-day battery life and IP68 3 ATM waterproofing, the Momax tracker is built for durability and convenience, accommodating long trips and daily activities without constant charging.
Number 5. Mindrose Workout Tracker. The Mindrose Workout Tracker is a versatile and feature-rich fitness device designed to monitor overall health while supporting a wide range of activities. It provides continuous 24/7 monitoring of heart rate, blood oxygen, blood pressure, and sleep, giving users comprehensive insights into their well-being. The sleep tracker measures time spent in different stages such as REM, deep sleep, and light sleep, offering a better understanding of sleep quality and patterns. Mindrose supports over 115 sports modes, enabling accurate tracking of almost any physical activity, while all-day activity tracking monitors steps, distance, and calories burned to keep users informed about their progress. Notifications for calls, messages, and emails are easily accessible from the wrist, allowing users to stay connected without needing to check their phone constantly. The watch also includes practical lifestyle features such as sedentary reminders, drinking water reminders, menstrual cycle tracking, weather updates, music control, remote camera shooting, timer, and do not disturb mode, ensuring it serves as a thoughtful personal assistant. Its extensive tracking capabilities and intuitive interface make it ideal for fitness enthusiasts and casual users alike, offering valuable insights to optimize both workouts and overall well-being. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.